The news in detail. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated a dissemination workshop for forest officials on forest survey and mapping for Meghalaya at Sylvan House. Sangma emphasized the importance of technology in data collection, analysis and policy making, stating that integrating data from various departments will enable the government to create effective policies and interventions. He also released the final report on forest survey and mapping for Meghalaya.
Moving very fast when it comes to data collection and data and information about different aspects of forest cover, different aspects of health factors, different aspects of education, and all the other different departments that we have. And now there is a huge inflow of information that is coming in. And what is important now for us to do, whether it's the forest or any other department that is there, is what is it that we do with this information and with this data? That is the critical part.
The Cabinet on Friday approved amendments